Yeah. So we have completed the attributes of the data frame. Okay. So yesterday I had shown you the slicing of the data frames, right? So now we will use the same thing, ILOC and LOC you had used in series, right? What are these? Tell me. Hello. Yes, what are the LOC and ILOC used in your series?
For inbuilt method,
Ah,
ILOC uses
use,
a position, whereas
yeah, to display
LOC,
the
whereas
sub rows. Whenever you want to display any sub rows, so you are using ILOC and LOC. And ILOC means what? Whenever you are having the default integer
default
values.
integer.
And labeled indexing means LOC you are using, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what you are going to do is that same thing. You can take the same program that you are having, right? That student and whatever programs you are having, the same program you can take and does up this. Okay. So put the values inside that and just say print df.iloc, right? So you can try it until I share my screen, until I complete this. The same program you must have saved, right? I am not saving any programs. You must have saved, I think so. So the same program you can take. Dictionary with list, we have taken, right? So you can open that program. Dictionary within the list. We did, right? I think so. In the last class, not yesterday, and 2 days before we have done maybe. Dictionary within the list. The same program you can take and you can execute it. If not done, please do it with me, right? If you have not done. hmm, So I'll take only 2 subjects over here. So what is our code now? What I will put inside this, right? What I'm going to put inside this in my data frame, I'll call my dictionary, right? So whatever name I have given. Now let me print my dictionary first and check whether the program is running without any errors. Okay, what is the error? Okay, so this is what I created with the uh, dictionary in the list. Now what I will do is that I will use LOC and ILOC. Okay, so suppose I will use first ILOC, right? What are the index values? 0, 1, 2, 3. So print, okay, data frame name. What is my data frame name? DF dot ILOC, right? And inside the square brackets, I'll put the suppose value. Suppose I am telling Z0 colon 3, right? So I want to display the row index 0 to 3. So 3 means what? How many it will display? 0 to 3 means 0 to 2. All right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
See, okay, done. So what I'm getting? 1, 2, 3. Same as good as. Suppose I am telling here, I will change it to 2. Yeah, right? So only 2 you are getting, right? Suppose here I what I will do is that I now I will do one thing. I will change the row index 0 to 2 and also the column index also 0 to 2. Are you getting? Again, I will repeat the question. I want to display the records. I want to display the contents or I want to display the records from row index 0 to 2 and column index 0 to 2, right? So both the things I want. So what I will do is that 0 to 2 row index and 0 to 2 column index. Let me put one print /n so that you will understand. And also what I will do is that I will put here one more coding or only the see the changes how it is doing. I'll just change the format. Yes. Okay. So row index I have put and as well as the column index I have put. See now what it is showing, right? So it is showing you the row index 0 to 2 and column index 0 to 2. 0 to 2 means what? 0 and 1. Yes or no? Can you see this? See, this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
your whole data frame, print df. Then I have left one line. Then ILOC 0 to 2 means the same data frame, two records it is showing me, A and B, 0 to 2. Then what I am putting, okay, I want to display the contents of 2 row index and 2 column index, 0 to 2 column index, 0 to 2 row index, right? Now same thing if I will use, what I will use? I will use LOC method, right? I'll put /n. Okay. And here I will change it to LOC method. So in LOC method, what is the syntax we have given? LOC means what? Suppose I want to give the values. Okay. Suppose if I am giving 1:3 indexes. Now see, if I give like this, then it has to return what? Error, right? Why? Hello. Okay, here print. Hmm. Now suppose labeled index is there, then what it will give? It will give the indexes, right? Can you see this? Hello.
Sorry, ma'am. Come again.
If labeled indexes are there, here at present 0, 1, 2 is there, right? Integer values, integer for row indexes. If suppose here I am giving R1, R2, R3, R4, getting here in this, see my cursor here I am giving R1, R2, R3, like P1, product 1, product 2, product 3. Then what will happen? So if these are 0, 1, 2 will be replaced by product 1, product 2, product 3. Then what will happen? You will use which method? Only LOC. You can't use that time ILOC. Okay? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So suppose, for example, as I said, suppose here you are giving an employee code in this indexes. Okay, so P1, P2, P3, or E1, E2, E3, E4. So those row indexes will be there. That time you can't use the what is that? ILOC. Getting here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next method is what? Sorting. So sorting the data in the data frame. So the sorting means what? Ascending order or descending order? Anything. Getting here. So whenever you want to sort your data frames, okay, in any particular order, ascending or descending, then in your data frames, you are having the sort method. Okay, so by using the sort method, you can give the sorting. So how you will use that? Suppose, for example, you want to sort the marks. Okay, so here I'll just change the things. This is your data frame. So I'll just give one print statement over here, right? Print, and I will say over. What is your data frame name? So sorting. First, I'll give this. Okay, and then I will say print inside the bracket your data frame name. So df dot sort. Okay. Now suppose if you are putting only sort, right? So it has to show you the particular pop-up. See here, whenever again I'll tell, it's not showing, right? This pop-up menu whenever I am giving dot. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Right, that pop-up menu should be shown. So if that is not shown, don't go forward. So once it is done, then only you can see here. Now you can see the method sort is there, sort index is there, sort underscore values is there, right? So take sort underscore values, and then inside the bracket, okay, inside the sort underscore values, you have to specify the argument. So what you want to sort? You want to sort out the particular marks, right? So have you given marks in somewhere? Have you given any marks somewhere? What particular dictionary you have used? You have used an dictionary over here. So your marks are where? Your marks are in S1, right? And S1 is what? It's a key, right? Are you getting? Hello? S1
Yes,
is
ma'am.
what? It is a key. Getting here. So if you want to do sorting, right? So you have to if you have to put an object over there. Getting here. So how you will do your program? The same program. How you will change it? Same thing. Okay. So what I will do is that this is your student, right? And I will make one series object for marks. Yesterday we did, right? Same thing. So how will I do? I will just say series, and then inside the your brackets you put the marks and give the values. So inside the bracket what I will do is I will put the marks, and these marks are for what? For your individual names. So suppose I am giving AAA, okay, and colon 45. Okay, so this is the total marks. Okay, for all the subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, total marks you have to give, right? Sorting, you can't do sorting for each and every subject. Getting here, otherwise you have to use again for loop for that. So what, this is the total marks. So for AA, suppose the total marks is coming, suppose 170. Then take again the second student, the total marks is suppose 180, and again take the same name and say the total marks is, I'll take little less, yes, 135. Now this you have prepared the student marks. Okay, same thing what you will do is that you can prepare for the your address, phone number, age, whatever you want. Okay, so if you want, you can prepare one more series object, and this I will name as what? Course or age, whatever it's. Okay, same keys will be there, but only the values will be different, right? So this is an age is over. So student total marks and student age is over. Now what I will do is that for my data frame name, I will remove this, right? And I will do what? For my data frame name, I will just say right? And in this, what you will pass? You will pass the now data. And how you will pass the data? Inside your dictionary. So what is your first thing you want? You want the total marks. So I am giving here what? Total marks T. And what is the value for this? The value for this is your student underscore marks. And then you can give comma, and then you want what name, suppose, or age, whatever you have created. Then what is this key and what is the value? Value is your, suppose, age. Done. So your data frame is created. Now what you will do is that you will just print your data frame name, right? Okay, here I can take df. Yes, what is invalid syntax it is showing? See the error. Okay, yeah, it should be which bracket parenthesis. It has come in curly braces. It is parenthesis. Right. And now you check the data, run and execute. Again, it is showing invalid data. Why?
If a dictionary,
Once
we
you
have to
check.
use curly braces, right?
Yes, it is a dictionary. So we can give inside this as dictionary, curly braces. Okay. Either we could have taken a list, but as we have done a dictionary, right? So
Dictionary,
this is,
keys and values are there.
yes, now it will come. It has come square brackets. Okay. Now run. What it is telling, PD is not defined. Yes. See, yes. What is the error now? Slicings. Okay, these slicings, for the time being, I'll just remove this. Let first the program runs. Okay, right? Okay, so we have created three names and total marks and age I have created. Now what I will do is that the same thing I'll put here. So we were doing what at present we were doing sorting, right? So now I will say sorting and df dot sort values, right? And inside the bracket I will give the uh, sorting values. Now by which sorting you want, which is the object that you want to sort, whether you want to sort the age or whether you want to sort the total marks. So suppose by marks I want to sort. So I will say by value is called as what, which object name, stood underscore marks, right? Okay. Then after this, your marks is being given. Now, which one you want to do? There are ascending and descending, two types of sorting. So if you want to sort it in ascending order or descending order, you have to use the Boolean values. So ascending false. If you can give, then it will be sorting in the descending order of marks. Okay, if you give ascending is equal to true, it will sort in the ascending order of the marks. So now what I will do is that student marks, just I'll put this in the brackets so that it is visible, right? And I will close the bracket. Okay, what is the error? Sort by values. Okay, two brackets are there, only one bracket is missing. Yeah, what is the error? Stud underscore marks, key error. Okay. Okay, I have used here total marks, right? You check whether it is coming for you. It is correct only actually because I have used stud underscore marks as the object name, right? Please check for your thing. It should come. Syntax
Yeah,
is correct.
I will
Sort
try, ma'am.
underscore values. Please check by and you put the column name, whatever it is, object name. Ascending is equal to false. Just check.
I equal to marks only or total marks or student marks?
No, what we have taken that thing, we have taken is stud marks, right? So stud
Here
marks
it
only
is.
one,
Okay.
right? What we have taken, right? So that only has to come. Otherwise, we can give key also actually, because in this data frame total marks we have given, that also we can give, but both should come because this plays the role of key. Stud marks is the now
I
value.
think you missed the
And
parenthesis,
total
like
marks.
for closing the by.
No, I have given here. See, two parentheses are
Oh,
there. See,
oh,
this is one, this is two. No,
I have to
it
put
will
together.
come. You just check. It has to come because total marks is key. Coming, right? So total marks is key. Stud marks is the value over here. I have taken here data frame, right? So key only has to come. So only it was not taken. Did you get where it went? Can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
what is the difference? Stud marks I have given, but because I put this stud marks as a value over here in dictionary, right? So it was not detecting. Are you getting? So always
Yeah,
this has to be index. So what is
because we are
index?
calling the data frame
So
name.
total marks will be there. So only
Okay, ma'am.
that error was coming. If this was not there, if this was directly stud marks means we could have taken it as a dictionary, we could have taken it, but now it will not give because I have called in data frames as what? E colon value. So stud marks has become value now.
Ma'am,
Okay.
this short value is applicable for series or not only for data frame?
Sort is for you can do for series also. Same thing. Sort series
Okay.
object name
In
dot
that
sort.
case, we have to put the same method by using the series name.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ah,
Same thing.
if we
But
want to get the
usually,
student's mark, we
ah,
have
why
to
not? Yes,
short
yes,
it by that name. Okay, ma'am.
yes. So sorting can be done, but usually we are using what is that? In Python, you are having sort methods, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that also you can use. So in series, you can use sort underscore value, sort underscore index. How much ever you are getting, right? You put one dot, series object name dot, you are putting that box is coming, right? So in that box, how many methods you can see? You can use all that. So series also, suppose you are using series object name is equal to what is that? Pandas dot series, you are putting the values, right? Okay, and then you can put this series object name dot sort by values. Getting here? You want to see the
Yes,
one
ma'am.
program? Sort
Yes,
underscore
ma'am.
values. Suppose S is a series.
Same for
So
this
S dot, S
sort
dot
underscore
sort
index.
underscore values. So S dot sort underscore values will will happen. It will sort the values. So if you are putting
Okay.
sort underscore values ascending is equal to false means it will sort by descending order. Then you can have
Yes.
the sort underscore index also. So only index is
For
sorted.
index, We have to use the by also. We have to use this.
No, sort underscore index only.
Only sorted. Okay.
Yes, sort underscore indexes, sort underscore values. You can open one series objects. You can share the screen and try it. I'll guide you because I don't have a program. Again, I have to type it. If you're having a series object program saved, right? Open it and share it. I will just tell you how to do.
Which program you want? No?
No. If you want to do series means you share your series program. I will tell you sort underscore
Any
index
kind of
and
series program is okay.
huh?
Any kind of series program is okay for me.
Any simple series. The first
Okay, ma'am.
the first program you can take.
Okay, ma'am.
Series by using a list we done, right? You taken a list in square bracket, you put the values. Simple program. Just you can check for the sort underscore index and for series and sort underscore values. You can share the screen and you can type and show me. Simple. All the methods, all the attributes, series, data frame, same. But we are using data frames more in projects, okay? Very rarely we will use series if required.
Ma'am, can you see my screen? Hello? Ma'am, if the screen is visible? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
You can hear me?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see your screen. Same thing, series x5 dot sort underscore values and put inside the you can just
Using
put
by
sort underscore values. By default, it will take. By default, ascending
uh,
order, right? That's it.
yes.
Opening and closing bracket. Blank parameter. That's it. That's it. You remove that bracket. No. That sort underscore values. Remove this bracket. Last one.
Sorry, ma'am. We are getting the output, right?
No. You have done. You have what you have done. You have done sort underscore values, right? X5 series object name dot sort underscore values.
Yes,
Getting
ma'am.
here. So don't do like this. It will give you error. Why? Because you remove that bracket and print statement. I'll tell you how to do. Whenever you are sorting any
Print
series,
statement.
right? The coding, you should not do like this. Remove. Now, take any one variable result like that. Any one variable you take r is equal to or result is equal to like that.
Sorry, ma'am. I didn't get it.
R and no. Here you type here x5 dot sort underscore values is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Left hand side, left hand side you type
Okay,
result
R
is
is
equal
equal
to
to, okay, you are asking for printing R.
and then print r and then you print your whatever it is
Uh,
whatever
before, while printing the exact, before itself, I get
it
the
won't give
result. Here I got the result, ma'am.
result.
Not
How?
even this.
No, it is sorting only na. Yes, it is already sorted, I think so. You put for
No,
ascending
ma'am.
order. You put sort underscore values and put ascending is equal to false inside the bracket. There you put ascending is equal to false. Now run it.
Yeah, ma'am. Get it.
Coming? Right? Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Same thing you do it for a sort underscore index. This is the exact way of doing the coding.
Okay, ma'am.
Usually, right? You should print only the value. You should not put the complicated sentence in your print statement. Right? Now, same thing, sort underscore
For
index,
data
you
frame
take.
only, we have to mention the which column we have to mention.
Yes, column
Am
we
I
have
right?
to mention because rows and columns are
Yes,
there. Na? Here
there
simple.
are here
Only
only
sort underscore
single
value.
column.
Single. Yes. In data
Yeah, ma'am.
frames, you should mention the column name like marks, total marks, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Like that.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sort underscore index also you print. Next line, sort underscore index. Yes.
This
What is that? A series object name
I can print
dot
it
sort
directly,
index.
or like
Means
I
you
have
want
to.
no you put it no you put it in one particular
Okay,
variable and
okay.
then print. Index is equal to like that ind z is equal to something and then series dot sort underscore index. In this also you can take ascending is equal to false. Right? Coming?
Ma'am.
Coming, right? Yeah. Print it now.
This is or
Yeah, coming,
this is
right?
the value
March,
one.
January,
Yes, ma'am.
February.
But both are
Okay?
same here. Values and indexes.
Yeah?
Here the values and indexes are same here because we are
Huh.
using the dictionary.
Yeah, it is same. Yes.
If we
Okay.
do put
You
in
change
some
the
other
value.
program,
In some other
yeah,
program, it will you can analyze the correct. Like you take some salary or take some marks. Okay, you can analyze that thing. Hmm? Understood, right?
yes, ma'am.
Series, right? So now next thing is what you have to do the some data frame for iterations on data frames. We tell means what? Suppose you are using any, you want to use any for loop. Okay,
Shall I
you
stop
have
my
created a
sharing?
data frame. You can stop. You can stop.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So suppose you want to use any for loop, right? So whenever you want to use any for loop inside the data frame, so how it should be, it the rows and columns, you want to iterate it row by row or you want to iterate it column by column, right? So means after each and every one row you want to put the you want to take out the records. Getting here? So whenever you want to iterate your rows or whenever you want to iterate your columns, you have to use your iter rows and iter columns. These are the two methods in the data frames. Again, I will repeat, there are two different methods in the data frame to iterate the rows and columns. What do you mean by iterating? Iterating is nothing but whenever you want to take the records, whenever you want to display the records by using a for loop, you want to repeat it again and again. Right. So from the first row to the last row, then again from the first column to the third column. So continuously you want to do the iteration process like in a for loop you are doing same thing. At that time you will use what? Iter rows and iter items. So that's one is for columns, rows, iter rows is for rows and iter items is for columns. Okay. And these two methods are always used with the for loop only. Okay, so only this much is the theory. Understood what I was telling?
Uh,
Hello?
it's like an
No?
inbuilt method.
Inbuilt method, yes. Iter rows and iter items.
Iter
Okay,
rows
inbuilt method.
or iter underscore rows, no?
No, no, no.
Directly tell
ITER.
us.
Wait, I will
Okay,
type
okay,
this.
ma'am.
I'll share my screen. Wait, wait, wait. I will explain as I was doing it in that notepad. It is better. I'll just see.
I got the point you have told.
You can share. See the screen, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
See, iter rows. Where it is? This is iter rows. Okay, and you are having the iter items, or sometimes it is called as what? Only items. So these anything iter rows or iter items or items right here. Okay. So these are the two methods for displaying your data in data frame row wise or column wise. Okay, so how you will do that? So that one we will see. Now same thing we will take. Okay, so suppose I have used what here? Series, right? You can take the same thing, series, or you can go for another one, whichever is if you're having suppose what is that? Dictionary key colon value pair, that also you can take. Hmm? So now suppose I am using one for loop. Hmm? And I want to do row wise, right? Okay, so I'll put row, right? I want to use row wise. So row and row series, these are the keywords. Okay, row series. Okay, and what is the syntax for loop? In, right? So I am giving the variable name as row. I want to do it row wise. And what is the data frame name over here? DF dot. And what I will give? Iter rows and colon. The for loop syntax, whatever you are using. And inside the for loop, what you want to use? You want to print the suppose row indexes of this, right? So I'll give one label row index, and here you can give as row the value. Same thing you can give here one more print statement, right? Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have taken row series. Right? Now let me run this and let us see what it is giving error. Wait, let me have this in the new line, or I will put like this. Uh, I'll put something good enough so that you will understand. Yes. See, now what I
Ma'am,
have
I
taken.
think
Yes.
your screen is not visible.
Okay, it went off. 1 second. What happened? Until now it was visible, right?
You are connecting the
Mm,
battery, it gets stopped. That time, that time I
mm,
used to, I'm able to see the screen, but whether you type after that you are typing that not visible that now the connection is fully cut off.
One second, let me check. Maybe, yeah, it has come out.
Maybe you can share it once again. How your screen is visible now? Ma'am, you are on the mute.
Oh, sorry, I was on the mute. I was talking. Okay, so this is your data frame. Okay, and after this, what I have given, I have used one for loop. Okay, so what is this for loop? Usually, what we will do for counter variable name in, right? So this is our thing, the for loop syntax for I in range, right? So range, what I have given over here, range is nothing but my data frame iter rows. How many rows are there in my thing? How many rows are there? See my data frame. Where is your data frame? This is your data frame, right?
Mm.
So how many rows are there? So I am having how many rows? Total marks. Age
So
are
there are
the two
three,
columns A, B, C.
three rows.
Okay, right. So
Yes, ma'am.
until and so I have given what? I have given here row. Getting here. So I am giving here row. That means what? How many rows it has to take? It has to take the row wise. That means one row, second row, third row, like that. I want to do my for loop process. Okay. Now here row index is what? See here. Which is the row index over here? In the last, which row index will come? In the last, which row index
Can
will
you
come?
explain it
C.
once again?
No, ma. How many rows are there? A, B,
There
C.
are three rows.
Okay. So if suppose I have used one for loop. Okay. And
Yes,
in
ma'am.
for loop, I am using what? For I in range you are using, right? What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
for loop syntax for I in range? In
Yes,
place
ma'am.
of that, what I am using df dot iter rows. This method I am calling. So what
Yes, ma'am.
what is the last value in the iter rows from ABC? What is the row index that I will get? First row index what I will get? A, yes or no?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the first row index in ABC?
A.
See, this is the data frame, right?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the first row index? A,
A.
yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. What is the first row
Uh,
index in this? A.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, yeah. First row is the A.
First row index is what? A. So print row index row. So for the first time, what it will print? For the first time, it will print row index A. Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no? Ha.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what I have given containing. That means what row index A is containing. I have given. Yes or no? First time I am telling row index A containing. Then what I have given print row series. What is so row series now? What is the row series for A? Total marks and age both. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
For A, what is the series? Total marks and age. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So in row series, what it will print? It will take for the row A, the total marks 170 and 17. See here, can you see this?
Yeah, ma'am.
Row
I
index
can
A, for the
understand.
first time, what it is printing? Row index A. Then second line, it will print containing. Then I am saying third line, print row series. So what it will print? It will take the row index as A, and for the A index, whatever is the row values, how many rows are there? Okay, whatever row series are there, everything it will print. So for A, 170 and 17 are the
Row series,
row
correct me
series.
if I'm not wrong. Row series is the default
Yes,
one.
yes, it is
When we are
keyword.
calling it, it will
Yes,
return how many rows
row,
and the
iter rows,
values,
row series are the
and
keywords.
its D type also.
Yeah,
Ah, row series also a default method. It
yes,
return the how
yes,
many columns
yes, row
and
series.
values,
So for
and it also return
yes,
the D type. That's why it was showing the name and
yeah,
D type in the last line. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
When why we
This
are
D
calling it?
type
These
is
are the item we
by
are.
default only it will show. D type by default only it shows. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
row series what it will give you whatever row index you have put right in the for loop. For that all values it will show. So total marks 170 17 for A is shown. Now after this what will happen again? It will go to the for loop.
Yeah.
Why? Because
Yes, ma'am.
what is your how many rows are there in data frame? Three rows, right? So all the three
Yes,
records
ma'am.
it has to print. So again it will come back to the for loop. Then the first line is what? Row index, right? So what is the row index now? Second time B. And then you are putting what? Containing. So row index B containing. Third line is what? Print row series. So row index B containing. For B what it is containing?
Total
180
marks
and
and
18.
age.
It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
done. Now again what it
After
will
that,
do?
it will read to C.
It will again go to the for loop. So what it is doing? Again it is checking the condition. So row index C it is getting. Containing total marks 135 13. Now it will go again, but it will stop because only three record rows are there. So until
Yes,
and
ma'am.
unless iter rows, what it is doing, it is iterating every time. So three times it is iterated same again and again. So row by row you are taking, right? One line.
Yes, ma'am.
A row, B row, C row you have taken. Repeatedly you have taken, made the condition. That is nothing but your iter rows.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Understand.
Same thing. What you can do is that for columns you do. So I'll
For
just
that, we
copy
have to
paste.
use the method column series, or
Yeah,
it
I'll
have
show you.
any
So
other
why?
name like that?
No, no, no. Items. I shown you, right? I
Okay.
given the
Yeah.
items.
Yes, ma'am.
Different it is. Little iter rows and iter columns is not there. Iter columns, you don't have any keyword. Okay. So you are able to see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So for loop. Now for columns, you are having call as the keyword. Okay. And call series. These are all are same. Okay. Call series, and then same thing. Copy paste
In
as you are
data
doing.
frame name, either you can
F
use iter item or simply item.
items. Yes.
Okay,
Items
ma'am.
you use. Okay. And then put the colon. Now you give as it is same. Whatever you are giving here, right? Just copy paste this. Okay. And I will just say here what? Column index. Right. And here what I will print? Column. And here what I will print? Column series. Done. Now run it. Yes. So what it is showing, see here, column index. Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
Here
column index? Which are the columns? Total marks and age
here
is
the
the
columns
columns,
total
right?
marks and age.
So total marks
It iterate
containing.
two times.
So
Yes, ma'am.
column wise means vertically it will go. Row wise means horizontally it will go, and column wise means vertically it will go. So now see column index total marks containing. Now it is taking one by one like this.
Yes,
All the
ma'am.
three students total marks. Then again age it is taking column wise. Getting here vertical.
Yes, ma'am.
Column wise means vertical, row wise means horizontal. Getting here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can do this. I'll wait for you, right? Because it is
Yeah.
very important. This will be used in your projects, some AI
Okay, ma'am.
based projects and all, right? Because you require a loop, right? Many times. So that time you will use this. So I'll wait for you. You can complete it.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am. Hello?
Done, right?
Ma'am, can you hear
Okay.
me? Yes,
See,
ma'am.
yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Now, see, almost I think so everything is completed. Only some like I will show you those whenever we will do the projects, right? How to use the missing
Okay, ma'am.
values
I
and
have a
all.
doubt.
Ah,
Here we can mention any range value also we can mention here.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
we
you
are
can
doing it in
mention, but
Python.
range, yes, yes, but range means how you will put iter rows. The syntax for using iter rows is what? Data frame name dot iter rows, data frame name dot items. This is the syntax.
Yes, ma'am. Then inside
Ah,
the parenthesis, we can mention any particular
yeah,
index.
range method you can use. Yes, range
Okay, ma'am.
method you can use. In
Up
place
to
of range,
how
we are
many times,
giving.
up to which
Ah, yes,
we
yes.
can mention.
Range method you can use, but you cannot put iter rows and items in the range method. Are you getting?
Come
Hello.
again, ma'am.
You cannot put iter rows and items. These methods you cannot call into the range method.
Okay, ma'am.
Getting here, you can't do like that because iter rows syntax you should follow this. Df dot iter rows, df dot items. This is the only syntax.
Okay.
Data frame name dot items only you have to give. You can't just
This
put
is syntax.
iter rows.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Uh-huh. You can't change that.
Okay,
Getting here,
ma'am.
you cannot use inside the range method only iter rows. Getting here because here you are putting these keywords, right? Row wise you are putting row series row. So this only you have to use. Then only you will get
Okay.
row series and row wise. Are you getting? If you are using a range method, then it will be different. You will get an error. It will be a different
Yeah,
program,
yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How you will call your df.iter rows? Inside the for loop only you have to call. Otherwise, it
I'm
is of
just
no use.
asking how many we can mention how many times it can iterate. That's
How
what
many
I'm.
rows are there? No, no, no. How many rows are there in your data frame? That many rows it will take. Simple. If you are having 10 rows in your data set, 10 times it will execute. If you are having 20
Uh,
rows, now I am having only 3. So it executed 3 times. If it was 20 records are there, then 20 times it will take.
if I want to, if it has the 20 rows, if I want to iterate
If you,
only 5 rows, then how
then like
can
that you
I
can do.
do?
Then
That's
like
why
that
I'm
you can do.
asking.
That time you can take.
Okay,
That
ma'am.
time, if you want only a specific record, means your code will change again. Getting here.
Yeah, that is possible here. That's what I'm asking.
Yes, yes, that is possible. Surely, that is
Yeah.
possible. That is just a logic, right? Hmm.
Can we do one example with that?
Yeah, I'll show you. Just I'll
Maybe.
complete. Yeah, I'll complete this first because again it
Yeah,
will
ma'am.
be pending. So see, head and
Okay.
tail functions you are having in series, right? So
Uh,
same thing you can practice at home. Same thing you are having what in data
that
frames. Huh.
okay, ma'am.
So how you will give? Just you can. I'll just show you one so that you can complete it. So you can just put print and dot. You know, right? Head means what?
Yes, ma'am.
By
That
default,
means
first five
by
rows.
default it take
Okay.
a first 5
Uh,
rows.
So here I am not
If I
taking, I
mention
am just
anything,
taking one. Okay. Yep, your one I am mentioning. And same thing I will put it for tail also. Okay. And head minus 2 and tail minus 2 you are remembering, right? Same thing it is. Whatever you learned in series, all in data frames, head and tail functions. Right? Got it? So head
yes,
means
ma'am.
first value and this is the tail value you got. Now same thing you do it for head minus 2 and tail minus 2.
We'll
Right?
print all the one except
Head,
minus
yes,
5.
that's one. And here you can say that as I am having only 3 records, I am putting only one. When more records are there, that time you will understand. Right?
Yeah.
Getting head minus 1, okay, and tail minus 1. So these
Yes, ma'am.
head and tail functions also same as that of in your series. Okay, this is also over. Now, one more concept is there in data frames is called as what? Boolean indexing. Getting here? So, what do you mean by Boolean indexing? Boolean indexing means what? You can give the index. Okay, in your data frame, you can actually specify the values of your data in terms of the Boolean values. Means in terms of the what is that? True or false. Okay, so your indexes you can put as true or false. So true means what? 1. False means what? 0.
0.
Getting here? Hello?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
same thing
Yes, ma'am.
what you can do is that, yeah, I'll just save this file and I'll finish off this. If
This
Boolean
Boolean
indexing is
indexing
over,
is for
Boolean
only
indexing
the
is
data frame.
over means, yeah, if today Boolean indexing is covered means your data frame introduction is finished. Now still we are having
Okay.
data frame operations, okay, and CSV file. Getting here? So just I'll complete this. Okay. On 5 minutes more, I'll take no problem, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I'll just finish off this program. So suppose you are having, okay. So you are creating one dictionary over here, and you use the same things that we have done. Student program. What we have to give. Okay. And one more thing I'll take as what? Name. And here I will take as, you can take any method, okay? Whichever method is there, same method. Done. So now what I will do, I will give the, have I given any indexing for this? This is a dictionary, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am. It is a
Right.
dictionary.
Ha.
By
D
default,
is
it
my
takes the
dictionary.
column name.
Ha. Ha. So now what I will do, this is D is my dictionary. Now what I will do is that I will give for this an indexing. So I'll call my data. Data is in my dictionary, and I will call this index is equals to, and I will give here Boolean values like this, right? Okay. And say print df. Okay. Right? Getting here? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same thing. Okay. Boolean indexing. Same thing. What I will do, you can use anything now. Huh? So you can use your ILOC, LOC, and you can check the conditions in this. It's not like it will not work. Hmm? What happened? This is okay. Yeah, I think so. I'll give, right. Getting here? See, roll number, name. ILOC 1 I have given. So 0, 1. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
So here you are not getting in your true and false Boolean indexing values. Okay. Do remember that. Right. Okay. Any doubt in this?
There we can either use 0 or 1 like that.
No, no. Simply I have used one. You can use 3 also. How many? I am having less records, right? Only 3 records are there, right? See, now positional index is out of bound, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If I'm giving 3, it is
Is there
out of
any
bound, right?
particular reason we are using the bull?
Huh?
is Boolean indexing?
No, sometimes you want to show like the student is passed or failed, right? Simply, it is
Yes,
nothing,
ma'am.
no particular reason, nothing like that. Getting here. So
Yeah.
sometimes, according to the data set, you want only true and false values only in the index part. You don't want any other value. Some projects are
Okay,
like
ma'am.
that. Okay, so that time you can use.
Yes.
Okay.
Here
Right?
we can call the LOC as 1 or 0, like that. Is it possible? Because the true value is 1.
No, true and false you have given, right? So why
For
you will
LOC,
use
you
it?
have to mention.
No, not required.
It
Why you
will
will use
replicate it
LOC?
as a true of or false
Yes,
in
you have.
the indexing. Okay, ma'am.
No, if see this particular Boolean indexing for the data frame that you have used, right? So you can, if you are using LOC method, then you will specify true. Means what you will do here? Same thing.
It will return
No,
two item, right?
no, wait. How you will write print? Okay, and df dot loc. Yes or no? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and inside the bracket, what you have to write? True. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So with the index value true, how many are there? All values it will return. 1, 2. Both
It
are
will
true,
return
right?
all
First and
the.
last.
Okay, ma'am.
First and last. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine then. Okay, we'll stop for today. Do practice of these all. Okay. If you want to
Yes, ma'am.
take down, you can just take a pic, right? And practice this. If index is out of bound means it will give such types of errors. So only I have given one. Okay.
Uh, Particularly these Boolean indexing are we can easily categorize which one are true, which one
Ah,
are false.
yes,
Okay.
yes. So some projects are
Okay.
using Boolean indexing only. So only we can use, we can put the values as true and false in indexing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Mm.
then we'll stop for
What are the
today.
next topic we are going to see
There
tomorrow
are many
onwards?
topics. I can't name that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but tomorrow what we are going to
Yeah. CSV file,
what?
matplotlib. CSV file,
Okay, ma'am.
matplotlib. Also
Okay, ma'am.
data frame operations. Also some data frame operations also there. Like how to add a column, how to rename a column. Are you getting? How to add a
Yes,
new
ma'am.
column to a data frame, that also is there. But anyhow, we have learned this. These are the main important points, important parts. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, tomorrow we can start with CSV file.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. One program I will take, one program related to this data frames. Okay. Later I'll take.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Fine. Then we'll stop for today. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.